Let's talk about how long a for sale by owner transaction, or a Fsbo as we might call them sometimes, how long those take. Now, in a Fsbo situation, if usually I'm helping the seller and they are selling their home without a real estate agent. And in that scenario, they usually already have their buyer. They've already agreed to like the price and some terms, and they want an attorney to help with the contract. And that's where we come in. We do the contract and we help, ensure we have a smooth closing process. So how long does the closing take? Usually 30 to 45 days, somewhere in that range, depending on what contingencies the buyer has. If they're doing an inspection, if the property's being appraised, if they're getting the property, if they're financing the purchase. And so if they're paying cash for the purchase, you could probably close in as little as 10 days sometimes if there's not a bunch of contingencies and they're paying cash. If the buyer is getting a loan to purchase the property, you're probably looking somewhere in that 30 to 45 day mark. Again, depending on what contingencies the buyer may have with that purchase. And so if you need help with the for sale by owner transaction, if you are buying or selling a home without the real estate agent and want an attorney to help with the contract and help get you through closing, we're happy to help. Only if the property is in Washington State. I'm only licensed in Washington State, but if you want help with buying or selling a Washington State property, give our office a call. Our number is 206-408-8158. Thank you.